Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your missing or deleted PS4 games. So if you are trying to find your PS4 games that are deleted, make sure you're first on the correct account. So I buy all my games on this account with PlayStation Plus. So if I try to find the games on a second account right here, they're not going to show up at all because I never bought them on that account. So go to your main account. Then once you're logged in, go all the way to the right to Library. Then go on down to Purchased. So these are everything I've ever bought. Then beneath that is the PlayStation Plus game. So you can decide which one you want to go to. So I'm going to go to Purchased. And under here, I should be able to find my games. So if I go to A to Z on the top, or I can go to Purchase Date. And these are the most recent games I bought or downloaded or got through PlayStation Plus. And I can just scroll on through this list and I should be able to find them now. And then I can just re-download them. Now you can always go up to search and just type something in. So I got maybe 4 or 5 different Call of Duties. So let's just type in Call. And then we can go to Call of Duty World at War, Infinite Warfare. That'd be fun to try again. And then I can just go to them. And then go to Download. And then I can get back onto my PS4. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.